Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add sessions booking in Google Sheet. So whenever a new booking is created in our session, we want these details to add automatically in our Google Sheets as a new row. For that, we are going to create an integration between sessions and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use triggers and action. In trigger application, we will be using sessions, and action application, we will be using Google Sheets. How I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. Hello everyone, I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we have two applications with us. First is Sessions and second is Google Sheets. So today we are going to create a booking, and let me show my booking page to you. So this is the booking page that we are going to use. And we want all these booking details to fill automatically in my Google Sheets in this manner, like full name, email, booking description and date and time. For that, we are going to create an integration between my sessions and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For using Pabbly Connect, I'll open a new tab and I will search for pabbly.com. So this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign up for free, or if you already have an account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign in. And these are the tools that Pabbly offers to us. We are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to click on Access Now, and it will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is my folder section, and this is where I can see my workflows. Now we are going to create a workflow. For that, I'm going to click on this blue button which says Create Workflow, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. I will name it as Session Google Sheet Integration. Here I have one more tab which is Select Folder. I can save my workflows on any folder that I want. I'll choose Home here and I'll click on Create. After clicking on Create, this will take me to this important window where we can see triggers and action. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is the first step that happens in our workflow, and automatically action follows that. So trigger will be the first step of our workflow, then action will follow that. So we will set up our trigger first. For that, I'll search for my trigger application, which will be Sessions. I'll open Sessions. Now I will give a trigger event to this. For selecting my trigger event, I'll open this tab and I'll look for my trigger, which is Booking Created. I'll click on Booking Created. Now I can see I have this webhook URL and I have to follow this step to capture my responses. If you have any doubt, you can read these information and you can follow this step. Now I'll just copy this webhook URL and I will go to my Sessions account. Here I'll open my profile. I will go to account settings. I'll go to webhook and here I will add a new webhook. For that, I'll click here on Add Webhook. Here I will paste the URL that we have copied. I'll paste it here. I'll select my trigger, which is Booking Created. I will give permission. I'll give it as personal and I'll click on Confirm. So my webhook is added. Now to get the response, I'll go to the Book Me section. These are my booking pages. I'm going to use New Booking. I'll open this. I'll copy this link and I will open a new tab and I will paste it here. So this will be my booking, and here I'm going to select the time and date. So my date will be 15th of October and I will select the timing around 11:30 AM to 12 PM. I will confirm this. Now I will give a full name. I will give a dummy detail. Full name will be test user. Email will be testuser123@pabbly.com, and I can add guests in my list, but I'm just going to schedule my session. I click here and my booking is created. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. And here we can see that I have got some responses. So my trigger was Booking Created. My session will start at 15th of October 2023. So here we can see the timing is in UTC time zone. So it is 5.5 hours ahead of us. We need to change this. We will do this later. Let's see other details. We got the name, test user. We got the email, testuser123@pabbly.com. And our session name is New Booking with Test User. And our session content is this. Now, as we can see that the time zone that we are getting in the webhook response is in UTC time zone, and we need this time zone in Asia, Kolkata, Pacific. So we need to change this format. For that, we are going to use an action, which is date and time formatter. Date and time formatter is a tool which Pabbly offers to us, and through which we can format any date and any time in any format. For that, I'm going to search date and time formatter. I'll open this and I'll give an action event to this. I'm going to select format time zone only because we only want to change the format of the time. I'll connect this. I will map the date that I want to use. Session start at. So my date is in this format. Now I will select the time zone that it is in. So it is in UTC time zone. I'll select that. And I want to change it in Asia Kolkata region. Search for that. I'll select Asia/Kolkata. And I will click on Save and Send Text Request button. And here we can see we have formatted the time zone. So our result is 15th of October 2023 and the timing is 11:30 AM. This is the time when our session will start at. Now what we want is, we want these details to add automatically in our Google Sheets. For that, I will create a new action. I'll click here on Add Action button. I'll select for my action application, which will be Google Sheet. I'll search Google Sheets. Now I will give an action event to this. I'll open this tab and I will select Add New Row. So Add New Row will be my action event. I will connect my Google Sheets. I click on Add New Connection. I'll sign in with Google. I will give permission to my accounts. And I have successfully connected my account with Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see we have these details. Now I will go back to my Google Sheets. So we can see we have 4 columns here: full name, email, booking description, date and time. And the name of my sheet is sessions booking, and we are using sheet 1. So we will map all these details in my Pabbly Connect account. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. First I will select the spreadsheet that we are using, which is sessions booking. And as you can see, automatically all the details have changed here. Now we will map all these details according to our column in Google Sheets. So I will map the full name first. I'll map it from the webhook response that we get. I will select the name. I will map the email similarly. And now I will map the booking description. Now I have to map the date and time, but I'm going to map this from the date and time formatted result so that we get the time zone that we needed. Why we are using mapping? So the reason is that we need this data to change in real time, so that whenever a new data is captured in the webhook response, the data should get exchanged in the same manner and we will get the real data in real time. So after mapping all this, I'll click on Save and Send Text Request button. Now we can see we got some response here. To check this response, we will go back to my Google Sheets. We can see our column is filled here. So full name is test user, email is testuser123@pabbly.com. Booking description is this booking is for test records. Date and time is 15th of October 2023 and timing is 11:30 AM. So the details have been filled successfully and we can see that our workflow is working, and in this workflow we have created an integration between sessions and Google Sheet in such a manner that whenever a new booking is created in our sessions, a new row is added automatically in our Google Sheet and we are getting all these details of event in Google Sheets. So let us summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger and the trigger application was sessions. Then we have formatted the time zone that we needed by using date and time formatter by Pabbly. In the next step, we have set up our action and the action application was Google Sheets and the action event was Add New Row. We have created this integration and we have automated this process, and by doing all this, you can also create this automation. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.